Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, give us a like. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of the specific unit or anything else we have in our lot, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. Today we're showing you a brand new arrival, 2020 Jeep Gladiator, 4-door, soft top, and we sent this thing out to Rocky Ridge, guys. It had a Rocky Ridge conversion done to this thing, did some awesome upgrades to it. So starting on the front, everything on the front of this Gladiator is 100% stock from the factory. Red in color, as you can see. We did put a 3.5-inch lift kit on this thing. Gives it a very nice stance, and we also did some blacked out rims with this. It's a Rocky Ridge upgraded rim. It's wrapped in a 35 Mickey Thompson, really nice Baja ATZ tire, and that's a 20-inch rim that is completely blacked out right there. Upgraded running boards running along the side, as you can see there. And as you can see, like I said, it is the soft top edition. This is a Sport, a Jeep Gladiator Sport, which is the beginner level when it comes to the Jeep Gladiator, but still has all your basic comfort features that you're used to in most automobiles these days. This vehicle does come with a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty. Also extended powertrain coverage on this. And another thing that's nice with Rocky Ridge is it has been, or they do honor and mirror the factory warranty. So everything Rocky Ridge has done to this thing, they are covering it. As long as you have your factory warranty, they're honoring the Rocky Ridge, all their additions they've done to this vehicle. Cloth interior, as you can see here. On your steering wheel, you do have all your controls here on the left-hand side that are going to operate your instrument cluster located here in the center of the dash. This also has hands-free capability. You can program your phone directly into this car, carry on a conversation by simply hitting the green phone button through your speaker system. Cruise control located on the right, and you do have your audio controls on the back of the steering wheel here. This vehicle is a push-button start, so leave the key in your purse or in your pocket. Simply hit the button and the vehicle will start for you. Touchscreen radio. This does have AM/FM radio. It does have, like I said, you can pair your phone, as you can see here, with the little phone tab. It does have media capability and have built-in compass. Underneath the radio, we have all your climate control features located right here in the center. 12-volt DC charger, all your media plugs that you're going to use right here along the side. Automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive, obviously. Small cubby hole right here in between the front and passenger seating, with a large one underneath there. Plenty of space in the rear for all your passengers. I'm a 6-foot guy, and obviously, as you can see, I have plenty of room in the rear here. It does have rear vents for your AC and heat system with some cup holders right there in the center. This vehicle is, like I said, a 2020 Jeep Gladiator Sport, 4-wheel drive, soft top edition. Sent this out to Rocky Ridge. Has it had a conversion done to this vehicle? So it is a converted Rocky Ridge Jeep Gladiator, 3.5-inch lift, 20-inch blacked out rims, 35-inch tires, upgraded side step-up bars, and much more. Another thing I did not mention on the back of this vehicle when I was walking around, it does have a decent sized bed, as you can see there, and it does have rear bed lighting along with tie downs on the sides. And guys, we deliver all of our Rocky Ridge product, whether it's a Gladiator, a Wrangler, or a truck. We ship them nationwide. So no matter where you're located in the country, guarantee you're going to get the guaranteed best price shopping at our dealership with any Rocky Ridge product, any lifted product in general, I should say. And like I said, we do deliver nationwide, so we can literally put this vehicle in your driveway. This vehicle is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, give us a like. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of this and a full description, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. And for the guaranteed best price, once again, on any Rocky Ridge product nationwide, we ship them to your driveway. Make sure you always shop Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram.